So, you've hit a parked car. We get it, and it happens more often than you'd think. Whether you rolled into a car gently or rammed right into the center of another car, it happens. When it comes to fender benders, it's hard to avoid and they tend to happen more often. But the process is a little different if you hit a parked car instead of a moving vehicle. The first rule of thumb, if you hit a parked car, is not to leave the scene of the accident. Even if nobody is hurt, this will be considered a hit-and-run car accident. And this is one major offense that can land you a ticket, fine, and even jail time. Also, you could have your license suspended and your car insurance could spike significantly. While you're waiting for the other driver to return to their car, it's the perfect time to document everything. Be sure to write down what happened to both cars, the date, time, and location of the car accident. Also, the make, model, color, and any key characteristics that the car has. You'll also need the name of the other driver, contact information, and any witnesses. So, what happens if you hit a parked car but the other person doesn't show up? If you can't wait any longer, then go ahead and leave a note. We suggest leaving the note under a windshield wiper so that it will stay in place and dry. Be sure to leave your name, phone number, car insurance info, and an explanation of what happened. We know you hate contacting your car insurance company, but it's a must at this point. Even if you have to pay a deductible, it'll save you some big bucks by going through your car insurance. Want more tips? Visit Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road.